I'm perfectly on it. Oh, okay.
Blade, faggot retard.
Yeah.
This is so much more entertaining than the fucking map itself.
Hey, careful, don't flip it over. Oh!
Nah, fam. It's not happening in my house.
Hold on. It's gotta be straight up and down, or it's gotta be like on the fucking.
Wait, what? How the level up is 17? How much is 3,900 XP?
Can just one person get on it, please, so I can go up? There's 2 people on it.
There's 3.
We only need 1 person. You guys are about to fucking knock it over.
We'll fix it again, dude, don't worry. It's doing the kickflip!
So retarded.
I know, we got this. Dude, get out,
It won't
dude,
go when you're standing on it. I can't go, get off of
Hold
it.
on. I need to get fucking officer, sister Fisher out this bitch. Hold on, I'm gonna get. Alright, dude. Officer, sister Fisher here too.
Your TV. That was a bad map.
Yeah, it's a bad map to get to the fucking end.
This is a bad map.
Get to the end, dude. It's fucking amazing.
This map is legendary.
It's terrible.
Get to the end of the map, dude. It's fucking the whole map.
I just got a huge ass boost, I don't know why.
Ignore the
I could've
whole
got W or
tank
that
stage,
shit.
but... There's nothing to worry about. No. Nice tricks, dude. Hey, get.
Hey! You bitch, get that shit off me! Oh, someone get on it. Someone stand on top and let me go up. Oh, this guy just did a double backflip. Oh.
Hold on.
What do we have here?
Easy.
There's so many people back here now.
Easy.
Have you ever took a shit and call it quits?
What?
Have you ever taken a shit and call it quits?
If you guys are on top, you can't move it. If you guys want to move, I can move it.
Fine, dude, let's go. Come on, do it, pussy. Oh, I just have a fucked up joke.
I'm
Thanks for
stuck.
saving me, you fucking retard.
You do it, bitch.
Go
Yeah?
up to the little stand, press E, right? And then left and right click. Left click is up, right click is down.
It's just fucking rolling.
Hey Zuko, which
What
one
the
are you?
fuck is
Are you a
this?
terrorist?
Oh,
I'm right here.
Hey.
oh.
When everyone was shooting it, I was gonna say, hurry.
Yo guys, I said the N-word on the forums.
Alright, let me check out your post. Link me.
Hey, Cayman, Cayman, can I make a joke? Cayman, look. Hey, Cayman! Cayman! Listen up, retard. Hey, Zuko.
I just got a big speed boost.
Zuko.
Yo, is this person retarded?
We should try to get this thing to the middle of this thing. Someone shoot it. I'm gonna make it go up and someone shoot it to the middle.
Oh. Did someone shoot off the map again?
What the fucking, all of us have to fix it again. Dude, get the fuck off it, retard! No, you don't need to kick. No! Oh, no, that map is going off the map. GG, it's outside the map. Oh, wait.
Oh, it's about to land on me!
You're fine, fam. It's kind of straight.
Take a shit on your nipples and call
This
me a
map is
little
bad.
'Cause
You're fucking bad, dude. Fuck off. We play this map at least once a day just for the helicopter. Easy kick it. Come on.
Almost went over the wall.
Hey,
Nice
depending on if
post.
you're
I love the
good or
first
regulated,
two
come on.
words. They're my favorite. You can't see
You
it.
can't, only council can see it.
Oh, you can call them faggot retards now too.
You should see this post then. What?
Oh,
It's kind of a lot of
Confidential,
racism.
dude. Last time I showed a fucking screenshot, that shit went out.
Didn't you screenshot No Name's IP?
Take a
That was
screenshot
so
of your butt
funny.
sack.
I don't know. Someone told me about it.
sack and watch me slip it.
I literally
So
sent
funny,
it
dude.
to,
Funny.
like, you, Fernie, like, it was all of us on a channel.
Yeah.
And Blackout fucking
Blackout
put that
spread
shit.
it. Yeah. Why are we getting so much fun out of playing with the
They
helicopter?
just don't have these.
TBH.
We don't
Yeah.
get nice things.
You mean the player? The map?
Sister, check me out. Did you want to trade model?
What's going on?
Did
This is worth so much more.
Hey,
Whose is
Cayman.
mine?
Yours,
Can I
yeah.
make a
Yeah.
joke, dude? Can I make a joke? Come on.
No.
Alright, well I see an unarmed black kid over there. Should we shoot him? Because I'm a cop? Well, they're too dark for you guys. Let me just go in the corner. You fucking see me? Damn! I can't fucking see
Whoa, what the
outside.
fuck? Batman was increased to 12,500? That's your
How
How
much
much
is
is,
1350?
how much
Come
is
on.
the other one? Guys, see you know what it is.
1350 still.
Oh, still.
I don't know why the fuck Batman went up though.
You went off the map, dude? Come on, you fucking retard. Where'd he go? Oh, what's up? Alright, let's go. Oh, I can't see.
Oh, wait, stop. Let me look at you. Stop. Let me look at you.
At me?
Yeah.
I'm just fucking super Asian man. Yeah, jiggle boots.
You're fucked up. What the fuck?
Dude, I would say something, but Zukos isn't alt tabbed, so.
Yeah,
Check me out, dude.
I'm
I
messaging-
look like fucking Broly or some shit.
Hey. Shut the fuck up, alright? Will you now? Thank you very much.
shut up, bitch.
Yeah,
fuck up,
sister.
faggot.
Okay, so
You just- you
here's
just
the
have a-
diagnosis
you
on
just have a bad
bitch.
day job?
Your mother raped you while you were young, and now you're a little piece of shit. So, shut the fuck up.
Well, now you're a fucking piece of shit douchebag fuckhole.
Now you're a faggot retard.
You
Come
woody
on, dude.
fucking pecking piece of shit.
This guy right now has shit to say.
What the fuck? I restarted? Okay.
Okay, so
Just
here's
Just
the
exclamation point,
diagnosis on you,
stage, space,
bitch.
end.
Okay, so your dad was an alcoholic.
Your
He,
dad was a fucking prostitute, dude.
Dad was
I
a
don't know about
nigger.
that, man. I really don't know about that. Okay, so
okay.
anyway, so
Ben,
your mom
please
was a
come on.
prostitute, your
Hello.
dad
Hello.
was a...
Your dad fucking left you because he was out on the fucking job one day and he got fucked by one of his clients so hard that he turned completely gay and
You don't
married.
say
Wait,
that,
stabilize
you don't
it?
say.
Stabilize it?
Literally, you're not allowed to say gay on the server, dude.
Someone
As
just
soon
dropped
as
the
it
fucking
says
N-bomb, you
Okay,
faggot.
Your
well, here's what
mother
happened to
is
you,
allowed
man.
to say gay.
Okay, so grandmother was just
What the
like
fuck?
went
You
all
went
crazy.
You
Bro, listen to me, listen to me, listen to me. Your grandmother went crazy.
Nice.
She raped all your family. And
I
then-
told you it flings you.
And then she took your car, crashed it into a ditch.
she
The
took a
cop
car and
arrested
crashed
you.
into the ditch, and then the cop arrested you. What, were you still talking, or?
Yeah, I'm trying to finish the story, man. I'm trying to finish the story. Anyway,
Get the helicopter up a little bit.
so the grandmother raped everybody.
Shut
She
the
was like
fuck
a
up, you
pedophile
dumb
type
nigger.
of deal, you know.
It's not like I don't have better things to do with my time. In fact, I probably could have bought at least 10 buildings in the time.
Well, at least, yeah, I agree. I
We
agree.
just
Vote
let
for
that
Trump.
happen
By
for
the way,
that
by the
one.
way, everybody vote for Trump. Vote for Trump. Thank you very much. Everybody, thank you very much.
Alright, so who wants to play with the helicopter now? Oh, okay.
I'm gonna play with your balls.
How? Wow, GG.
Anyway, your grandmother raped you. Now you're in the holding cell for
what the fuck?
pedophilia.
Alright, dude. Front foot impossible right now. Come on. Front foot, no. Oh, am I goofy or
Get on
regular?
top, man. Get on top. Get on top of this stick right here. You know what I mean?
That's a impossible. Back foot impossible, dude. Come on. Come on, dude. No.
Hi guys,
It's a back
I'm
foot
sorry,
impossible.
I'm sorry. Vote for Trump. Well, that's all I'm saying.
Can
That's
you
all I'm
just fucking shut up and die, please? Thank you.
What'd you say?
No, actually,
I
just
said
vote for
shut up
Trump.
and
How about
die.
that?
I didn't say KYS.
You're a little piece of shit, aren't you? By the way, admin, you're the best admin ever alive. You know, you don't have a small cock as all admins do. You vote for Trump, I can tell that. So thank you very much.
Where? You're still down here, Dim? I might as well join you here.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, sure. Whatever, man. Whatever. Seriously, what rule am I breaking?
What does KYS stand for?
Stands for killing yourself, or kill yourself.
Well, isn't that like
Alright.
a bannable offense? You know?
It is, though. I guess.
You're done.
Alright. Oh. Oh, sick. That's actually sick.
So, hey, tell me, guys, what do you think about me? What do you think about Donald Trump? You like me?
I'm better than Hillary.
Yeah, so you like me. Okay, I got you. I'll take you on a helicopter ride, man. Just come with me. Alright? How about that? Who's the admin? Come on, admin, talk to me. I know there's
What?
an admin here.
Yeah, there are plenty.
Yeah, there are plenty. So someone speak up, admin.
Okay, what do you need?
Well, you're a fucking retard, so, you know, we all know that, right?
How high can you get to go? Just go.
Fine.
How you doing, Zoo? You having a fun
Fine,
time, Zoo?
Oh, hi.
Hi.
You sound like Ro. Wonder
Maybe
why.
it is.
Maybe.
Maybe. Nah, I'm at my cousin's house, Pete.
Oh,
Salute.
okay.
I'm still online on Steam, though. You can
Are
still
you fucking
message
your own
me.
cousin right now, or what's going on? What's
Yeah,
going
you
on with that?
definitely do. Zoo, this is the only opportunity you have to actually ban me.
Well, you know, I don't have to ban you. You're just gonna have a terrible life. You know, that's what's gonna happen. And there's no banning you. You know, it's just like you're gonna die probably of a heroin addiction. You're gonna overdose on heroin in your own car. Probably
He
at
already
around
left.
probably at around age of 32.
Heroin?
Yeah, heroin. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, that's right. Direct heroin. Yeah, sure. But anyway, so you're gonna die. You're gonna feel. Oh,
I don't think that's gonna happen.
nah, that's gonna happen, man. I promise you. Take my word for it. That's gonna happen.
Yeah.
I'm just telling the truth, man. That's all. That's all I'm doing. I'm Donald Trump. 2016, vote for me. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Not moving that far closer. Alright. I'm a no clip. Maybe just wants to. They're kind of, they're not working entirely right now. Also, they're not playing the auto time. They're playing like either the last updated time or just random times, I believe. It's the last updated time. I'm not entirely sure.
Hey, it's me. Mamma mia.
Why would you do that to me? That was abusive.
Oh!
That was abusive. Why would you do that to me?
Okay, you have to be better than him, right? Just beat it.
Can you ban him, please? Pretty sure it's active. Pretty sure his times are cheated.
What? Pretty sure Zoo's times are cheated. Can we get a ban on Zuko's? Thanks.
Yeah, they are Easter effects and view angles.
Yo, so I have this map routed for 23 seconds, W only. What's the half sideways time? It's 24. 25 actually. It's
He
pretty shit.
flawlessly ran the fucking pegs with full speed. How the fuck did he do that?
I'm doing, my run's gonna be doing that with W only.
Nice.
At 1,000 velocity.
Do you ever just look beyond your world?
No.
Wow, dude, it's trash. I'm playing on a 144 hertz monitor. It's pretty sick, dude.
I'm gonna smash Apex's record. Hold up.
You're not
Take it home
smashing
with you,
anything,
bro.
Kay. Wait, no, wait, you're not Kamen, you're Kang.
Oh.
Speaking of Kang, how's your, how do you feel being div staff or whatever it is your div staff of?
HNS.
HNS, yeah.
I feel like the meme.
This kid suck, dog.
HNS, more like H and yes, am I right? Yo, where's Kamen?
Last I heard from him, he was making a forum post.
He left.